Hi everyone, Hope here with igus. I'm the iglide product manager, and we often talk about the benefits of iglide bearings. A lot of the benefits you probably hear us talk quite often about are the fact that all the iglide bearings are maintenance free. There's solid lubricants embedded throughout the wall of the bearing, so this does not require any additional grease or oil, so install them and then they're good to go. They also have very long service lives. We have the largest test lab in the industry, which allows us to provide predictable lifetimes of when the wear limit will be reached. High temperatures, some of our bearings can see up to 599 degrees Fahrenheit. Also very resistant to dust and dirt. You can imagine those bearings that do require additional grease and oil attract all that dirt. So iglide bearings, very good in dirty environments. Lightweight, so if weight is an option, aerospace, maybe autonomous vehicles, iglide bearings are traditionally about 1/5 the weight of metal bearings. But there is one additional benefit that I don't think we talk about often enough, the speed that we can get custom parts to our customers. We've created the Fastline, and this is our new tooling system where we can get injection molded parts off a hardened steel tool to our customer in as little as 2 weeks. So what's available on the Fastline, you're probably wondering. So we can do items such as sleeve bearings, flange bearings, thrust washers, also guide rings, and some rollers. So how does this work? On our website, we have a few options. You can either enter the dimensions of the custom part that is needed or upload your step file. You can then put that into the shopping cart and the process begins. We just need approval of the drawing, which is automatically generated, and then that shopping cart's processed, the tool gets ready to be prepared, the samples are produced, and they're sent to you in 2 weeks for approval. Once the PO is processed and the approved drawing is received to igus, that's when the timeline begins on receiving your parts from the hardened steel tool. I keep emphasizing that it is parts off a hardened steel tool because this will be igus's responsibility to maintain that. It's not a prototype tool. So if you plan to order hundreds of thousands of parts off of this tool, igus will maintain it for the lifetime of the project. It's just that one-time initial setup fee that is charged for the custom part. To date, we've done about 50 custom tools on the Fastline. In all 50, we were able to get those initial 50 to 200 piece samples to our customers in the committed 2-week time frame. If you think the speed of the Fastline could benefit you, please don't hesitate to reach out or click the link below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.